right, and so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this 48-piece cutlery set. All right, so this is the box. It all came in. Nothing really special. I don't know what these numbers mean, 64717, but they're all over the place. Let's open it on up and see. Ooh, wow, there's a lot in here. See what we all got. So that's it for the box. Very nice. So we have forks, and they're all even like individually wrapped. Interesting. But there is the fork. Very, very nice. Doesn't bend or anything. Nice. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 8 of those. I think there's 8 of everything. Then we've got some spoons as well here. Yeah, very nice filling. Like they feel thicker than they look. Like these are very nice. And the shorter spoons, I don't know what these are called. So yeah, 8 of everything. There's a teaspoon, I believe that's called. And then we got littler forks. I don't know why you need little and big forks, but very nice. Like even these are much thicker than they seem and they just don't bend. I like it. And then we've got our butter knives. There's no branding on them, nothing, just completely plain silverware. And then lastly, it looks like you even get 8 steak knives. Like, that's amazing. Look at that beauty. Nice steak knife, nice handle. All of this feels amazing. I am in love with what I'm seeing. So there you go. This is everything that comes inside of here. You get 8 of each of these, which of course equals out to 48 pieces. So thanks again to this company for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.